We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we discuss how we can look for trade. But from now, what we can see, we can expect this one tend to flat and the correction relative to this for the next drop. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. How we want to look for trade, having entry above this, I won't suggest that. The only times we can, I mean, the best things is we see the breakout the flag, then we take the trade, or if we get the correction here, then we can put our entry above the top. Because one of the reasons we are not going to put our entry above the top, because simply the price can tag and drop. Why? Because we see what we have here is a flat and relative to this. Technically, when we see this kind of the move, we can expect the price to drop. And we even for the next drop, simply we can expect the price to drop to 35 and even break the 35. Anyway, if anyone wants to look for buy from here, we have to see the confirmation for continuation. Then the targets we can look for is 38, following by 41 and 44. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here, but we are talking how to look for the trade and how, I mean, we're talking about the trade setup for buy. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. And based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this. That's why I mentioned if you get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And this is what we're looking for. If we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the previous top, which is a 55.1, we're looking for 62, following by 77 as the targets based on daily chart. But mostly we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the continuation and opportunity, I mean, reversal for buy. Anyway, we move to forward chart. And based on forward chart right now, the question is this. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. The only thing is how to look for trade, because whenever we have this kind of the corrective move and relative to this kind of the move as the first one correction, we can expect the price to drop. Then any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation. It can give us better opportunity to look for buy, right? Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, we mentioned this is based on lower time frame 1 hour chart. This is the targets we're looking for. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to 1 hour chart, we mentioned how we can look for trade if the price reverse from here. But if the price drop and tag at least 35, then any reversal from there, we'll take it. And having entry above this, then we can consider as a trade setup. But at this point, either we see the continuation flag, we take the trade, or if he wants to put our entry above this top, we have to wait flag or correction. Simply, we cannot put our entry above this top. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.